Hello, welcome to today's daily message. You may recall a couple years ago that there was a serious act of vandalism against a Jewish cemetery in University City, that some 200 or so gravestones were overturned by someone who never was discovered. I had the opportunity to attend a prayer service at that cemetery about a month after that act of vandalism. And there were literally hundreds of people there who took the time to come and pick up those gravestones and to clean up the cemetery. And at the prayer service, there were speakers from many different denominations and faith traditions. But all of them echoed pretty much the same message. That when we hear or see hatred or bigotry or prejudice, that it's our duty to call it out and to take action to try to make that situation better. Now, we all know that from time to time we hear or see hatred and bigotry, whether it be against persons of color, whether it be about persons because of their sexual orientation, or because they belong to another religion, or because they have an issue with their weight, or because they're disabled. And it is our challenge when we hear or see those things to call it out. Not in a confrontational way, but in a very matter-of-fact way. Even at the risk of making people uncomfortable by the things that we say. And it is our challenge to do that, to move beyond where we are now and to do those things, to say those things, because our call to holiness is in part a call to truth. And that call to truth involves being willing to speak up against bigotry, against hatred, and against prejudice, and to stand up for the truth, and to stand up for the unity which we believe in as Christians. Thank you once again for listening and for watching, and have a great weekend.